We're going to look at the new slide and measure compass. This compass will measure in both inches and in centimeters. This is the slide. I've got two places I can put my pen or pencil, so I can put it here or here. So I've got the two arrows that will tell me where I'm going. So when I'm looking at these centimeters, if I push this little guy in here, it'll slide. If I don't push it, it kind of locks. So I'm going to push it and it'll slide. Okay, now when I get down here at the end, the smallest it will do, I'll move this in here, is 1.3 centimeters or 13 millimeters. But when you get it here, you want to give us just one more little push. You can hear it click in. Let me do that again for you. So if I get it here and push in, you can hear it click in. So I can do 1.3. The biggest I can go is 12. This one doesn't seem to need, let me move this here, doesn't need that last little click. It'll do 12 centimeters or 120 millimeters. Inches, it'll go from, again, I'm going to snap it in. Oh, move it so you can see it. See how that kind of snapped in? So 1/2 inch all the way to just a little shy of 4.5 inches. Okay, so when we're doing this, I'm going to start with my non-writing hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my left hand here. And this will allow it to spin. So I hold this, this will spin. Now I'm going to move this in here. We'll do a 1.5 inch radius. I'm going to move this in just a little bit. There we go, 1.5 inch radius. See how that arrow's lined up? Hold, put my pen in the hole because I want a 1.5, so it's going to be this one. It's not this one, it's going to be this one here. And swing around, lifting my hand, and there we have a beautiful circle. Again, if I want to do centimeters, I'm going to mark it at 2. I'm going to center it, put it at the 2, and circle around. There we go. And that is how we use the slide and measure compass.